Good morning, my Sin City crew. I'm back again with another video. I'm at work, y'all, and I got me some Subway. I'm about to eat me some Subway, or half of it anyway. I won't eat the whole thing. This thing is huge. How's everybody doing today? I hope everybody there is good. Happy Thursday to everybody. Y'all see my Subway? It's a meatball. Yeah. Let me say my grace. Father, thank you for the meal that I'm about to receive. I ask you through your loving son's name, Jesus Christ. Amen. It's sweating, y'all. It's so hot in here. I'm waiting off here. It's too hot. Oh, sweating like a fool. Meatball, tell her. I have to stop and give me something to eat. I ain't eating nothing yesterday after my procedure, so I stopped and got me Subway this morning. Put some on my stomach, you know. Wet. Yes, it's Thursday, y'all. Be glad when tomorrow comes so I can rest. It's so good. Do y'all eat that sweet onion sauce on y'all? It does something to the sandwich, y'all. That sweet onion sauce so good. If you haven't tried it, try it. It's messy, but it's good. This stuff all over my face. Yep. It's messy but good, I must say. I'm gonna show you the other half for later. You know, I really could just give me a Subway with just veggies on it. You know me, it's still good. I think that's what I'm gonna try from now on. I'm kind of motivated now because I told you I lost 5 pounds. That's what the doctor said yesterday. Well, the nurse who took my blood pressure and my temp and all that kind of stuff. She said, you want to get on the scale or you good from last time? I said, no, I want to, see how much I weigh now. Because, I'm working on my weight. So she said, get up there. So I took my shoes off. Got up on the scale. So she rolling the rain back, right? She went all the way over. She went all the way back. I'm like, hold up now. And hit right where I wanted to hit. I said, okay. I mean, just to show a little improvement is good with me. I know I wasn't gonna lose 20 pounds and probably a month. I've been walking probably 2 months, but it ain't been consistently. Some days I miss days, you know what I'm saying? And when I'm at home, I'm laying down, I'm resting. I'm not working out like I should. I might get on the exercise bike or something, but it's nothing like me walking, you know what I'm saying? So, with that being said, because it's too hot to walk outside, so I walk in here, even though it's hot in here as well, but still, it's a women that they be walking outside around. It's too hot for me to walk around outside. I ain't gonna do that. And that's the one I ain't gonna do. I ain't doing that. But I will walk in here. Even though it's hot, I walk every single day. I'm walking today. I like when she told me, well, I already seen my weight, but she said, you down 5 pounds since last time. I said, it's working. It's working. No complaints here. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. If you don't get up and do walking, do some exercise, I promise you won't know how good it feels to do it. I was the same way. I was like dreading to get up walking. Let's go to the gym, you know. And the gym is like everything in there just, it's so complicated for me. You know, the only thing that I was really getting on when I go to the gym is that little treadmill. You know, I walk on a treadmill, but all the rest of the stuff, walk was on that. It was like a little too much for me. But me walking and eating right, it works better for me. Everybody's body's not the same. So, you know, Walt like to go to the gym. I don't. I like to walk. He don't like to walk. You know what I'm saying? Well, I ain't gonna say he don't like to walk. I think he will walk, but he'd rather be in the gym. You know what I'm saying? And I'd rather be in here walking around every day. And that's my exercise for the week, you know. Like I said, everybody ain't the same. Everybody's different. But I'm gonna continue to walk. I'm gonna continue to walk. I ain't gonna stop. I ain't gonna give up. I can't do it, y'all. I can't stop. I can't give up on me. If I stop, then I'm giving up on myself. I can't do that. I'm not gonna do it. Yeah. Keep it moving. We're gonna start coming up there. That's why I try to eat as soon as I come in. Try to go in something, put something on my stomach before I get my day started. Anyway, feel better. I feel much better with a full stomach. Anybody do. Like I said, I can eat it with just the tomato, olives, spinach, cucumbers. I can eat it just like that. It's good like that. Just put my sweet onion sauce on it, though. I'm gonna put this one up. Don't it look good, y'all? Hold on. And I will see y'all guys on the next video.